But of course, who the hell are able to resist not to over rev their bike when they have such a beautiful bike and a nice exhaust sound? What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, recently the oil price has went up rocket high and it has hit us riders and drivers really hard as our fuel cost has increased. So I've came up with a few ideas to save fuel on your motorcycle. So today I'll be sharing it with you guys. And guys, please bear it in mind that this is only for entertainment purposes. So right now, let's go! My goodness, this is so expensive! Okay, so I need to increase my fuel efficiency by twice as much. So let me see what is the maximum pressure. It's 42 psi. So 42 multiplied by 150%, that will be 63 psi. Oh, that's the maximum, 60 psi. Alright guys, let's go! Wow! The bike handles so well with the fully inflated tires. Whoa! 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 There's a slope here. Guys, see how much fuel I save when I clutch in and roll the bike. Why is there a burning smell? Whoa! 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 Stop honking at me, please. Come on guys, let's go, let's go. What's wrong with you guys? I'm just trying to save fuel on my motorcycle. Oh. Damn, you can't start. Come on. Damn. Oh, I'm reaching. Oh, come on, go. Go, come on. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please try not to perform any of this act when you're riding a motorcycle because it's very dangerous. And like I mentioned earlier in today's video, I will not be responsible for any losses or damages to you and the bike because this is just only for entertainment purposes. But of course, there are many ways to save fuel on your motorcycle. First is to plan your route well. Second is to have the right amount of air pressure in the tire. And third is to get the bike well maintained and also avoid over revving a bike. But of course, who the hell are able to resist not to over rev their bike when they have such a beautiful bike and a nice exhaust sound? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, ride safe, and bye.